Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress website using Bluehost. Once you're here, click Get Started Now. And that will take you to the pricing page. Now, you can, if you just have one website, you can go with the cheapest plan. It's $3.95 a month. Or if you have more than one website, you can actually host unlimited websites with the higher plans. I use the $5.95 a month myself. Now, it looks like the plan above that, I think I'm using this one, is right now the same price. So that's probably going to be the best deal. I have 8 or 9 websites, so that's just the best plan for me. So once you choose your plan, you're taken to this page. This is where Bluehost is going to give you a free domain. No kidding. And this is complimentary just for signing up. So choose your domain, pick any domain that you want, and you get it for free. No joke. You don't have to pay $11.99 or whatever it is on GoDaddy. You just simply get a free domain and click Next. And then you'll enter in your information, your billing information, and all that. And I won't record myself doing that, but after you do that, click sign up, and then you'll be logged into your Bluehost account. So to create a WordPress website with the domain you just got for free, you'll go to Install WordPress right here. And then you'll select the domain that you're going to install WordPress to. Now, don't even look at these down here. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. I'm showing you how to do it right here. You don't have to pay anything from this point other than your $3.95 a month or whatever it is you're paying. So click Next. And now you'll choose a name or a title for your site. It can be whatever you want. It's going to display up here if you have multiple windows open. This one says Google. This one happens to say the URL, but that's where your site title will display. And then you'll choose the email address that you're going to use. Choose your username and your password that you'll use to log into WordPress. And of course, I won't record my username and password so you guys don't hack me. And then you'll click Next. And once you've done that, you'll just wait until this says 100%. Now it should show your website, your username, and your password. And just click on your website. And that will take you right here where you'll log in using the credentials you just created. And just like that, we have a WordPress website. Now we're pretty much done with Bluehost. We've done everything that we need to do with Bluehost, and everything else will be done right here in WordPress. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of customizing your website in WordPress. If you get to the end of this video and you want to know more about building WordPress websites, check out our YouTube channel because that's what we teach here. So anyway, the first thing you'll want to know is that if you click on the site title right here, it will take you to your website. So this is currently by default what my website looks like. And if you click on it again, it'll take you right back. So you're probably familiar with the term pages. Websites have pages. You can create an about page, blog page. The way you do that is you go right here into pages. And this is where your current pages will display, but if you don't have any, you go to add new. And then you'll simply make the title. You can fill it in with text. You can add media. It's as simple as Microsoft Word or any other word processor. You can highlight a piece of text and add a link to it. They make it really easy. And if you know HTML and all that stuff, instead of visual, you can click on text, and that will allow you to type in HTML. Now, if you go to posts are just like pages, only they are articles. They're set up the same exact way. You click add new and you'll see the exact same form. Now, one thing I want to point out is that all this trash right here is coming up. Monster this, Google Analytics. When you set up a WordPress website from Bluehost, they add a few plugins, or they activate a couple plugins just as any host would, that they find helpful to you. But what I like to do is remove all of this crap because It's distracting, and that's kind of what its purpose is. It's trying to sell you something or get you hooked up on their product. What you do to get rid of all this nonsense that you don't need is go to plugins right here, and you can simply click deactivate. So one thing I recommend, you can deactivate all of this, by the way. Nothing that came on it, not even the anti-spam, is necessary or is required. Some of it may be helpful, but seriously, delete it all if you want to. I'd start with deactivating Mojo Marketplace, which is a Bluehost plugin. And see, that made the Bluehost thing go away. And also Google Analytics. I didn't sign up for that. Anything that wants me to sign up for it, I'm going to deactivate it. I'm just going to deactivate everything. All right, so now if I go back to pages, just because that's where we saw all that, you can tell all the spam trash has gone away. And now let's go back into our dashboard and let's talk about the most important part of designing your website, and that is your theme. You find it by hovering over Appearance and clicking on Themes. Now, when you make a new WordPress website, you're given a few free WordPress themes, and you can change from one to the other just by clicking Activate on the one you want to activate. And if we look at our website, we should see these changes. It's definitely changed. It looked like this one before. So you're not limited to these three. There's a ton of free ones. If you go to Add New, you can find a ton of free themes. So I'm just going to pick a random one. I'm going to click Install, and then I'm going to click Activate. So now the active theme is no longer any of these free themes, but instead it's this one, Leo. So let's see what that looks like. As you can tell, it's huge changes have been made, and you can customize a lot of this by going to Customize. And now you've got a whole bunch of options that you can customize. Just start messing with it and you'll be surprised how easy it is to build an awesome website. So that is how you build a WordPress website using Bluehost. And remember, you can get Bluehost by clicking the link underneath the video. It says Get Bluehost right next to it. And that's about it for this video. I just gave you the basics on WordPress. But if you really are serious about building an awesome website, check out the rest of our videos. I'll put some links to a few of them in the description below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that you take action and create your website. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. You really only get better at building websites by building websites. Experience is everything. These YouTube videos can only do so much for you. So do yourself a favor and take action. Go ahead, click the link under the video, go to Bluehost, sign up, build your website. If you have any problems or you have any questions, just comment on any one of my videos. And I really want to help, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. And just thank you so much for watching. I hope that I see you in another video. So take care.